Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm also back to my YouTube channel after a long time. Actually, I was busy in my freelancing projects, and unfortunately I lost those projects which I was making in my previous videos. So now I'm back to my YouTube channel, and this is what we will make on this GTA series. I've changed all the things which we made in the last video. Alright, so I will teach you how I done this whole process and how I get this type of amazing graphics. So keep patient and stay with me. So we are gonna make everything like GTA. Last time I made video on car entry system, but that was not too good. That videos contain much more bugs, but I decided to make another video and a car controller on car entry system. So I will give you that car controller in the next video, and my next video also will be on helicopter system. So this video was short video to tell you I'm still alive and tell you to be ready. And in the next videos I will teach you how to get these types of awesome graphics, and we will implement in-app purchase, ads, and all things which we need in game development like GTA. So keep patient and stay with me, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel and support me on Patreon. So goodbye and have a good day.